Phrasal verb.
Abide by.
Meaning.
Accept or follow a decision or rule.
Example.
We have to abide by what the court says.
Account for.
To explain.
They had to account for all the money that had gone missing.
Ache for.
Want something or someone a lot.
My partner's been away for a fortnight, I am aching for her.
Act on.
To take action because of something like information received.
The police were acting on a tip from an informer and caught the gang red-handed.
Act on.
Effect.
The medicine only acts on infected tissue.
Act out.
Perform something with actions and gestures.
They acted out the story on stage.
Act out.
Express an emotion in your behavior.
Their anger is acted out in their antisocial behavior.
Act upon.
To take action because of something like information received.
The police were acting upon a tip-off.
Act upon.
Effect.
The enzyme acts upon certain proteins.
Add on.
Include in a calculation. You have to add the VAT on to the price they give.
Add up.
To make a mathematical total.
We added up the bill to check it was correct.
Add up.
Be a satisfactory explanation for something.
She explained why the work wasn't ready, but her story doesn't add up.
Add up to.
Have a certain result.
Trains delays are getting worse, and with the high fares, it all adds up to misery for the commuters.
Add up to.
Come to a certain amount or figure.
The total costs add up to several million euros.
Agree with.
Effect, usually used in the negative to show that something has had a negative effect, especially as it makes you feel bad.
I feel terrible that food didn't agree with my stomach.
Aim at.
To target.
The magazine is aimed at teenagers.
Aim at.
Intend to achieve.
They're aiming at reducing costs by 10%.
Allow for.
Include something in a plan or calculation.
You should allow for delays when planning a journey.
Allow for.
Make possible, permit.
The rules don't allow any exceptions.
Angle for.
Try to get something indirectly, by hinting or suggesting.
He's been angling for an invitation, but I don't want him to come.
Answer back.
To reply rudely to someone in authority.
Her mother was shocked when she started answering her back and refusing to help.
Answer for.
Be held responsible for a problem.
The government should be made to answer for their failure to sort out the problem.
Answer for.
Speak on behalf of someone or from knowing them.
I can answer for my partner because I know her position on this issue.
Argue down?
Beat someone in a debate, discussion, or argument.
The teacher tried to argue the girl down, but she couldn't.
Argue down.
Persuade someone to drop the price of something they're selling.
She argued him down 10%.
Argue down?
Try to persuade people not to accept a proposition, motion, etc.
They tried to argue down the proposal.
Argue out.
Argue about a problem to find a solution.
If we can't argue our differences out, we'll have to take them to court.
Ask about.
Ask how someone is doing, especially professionally and in terms of health.
He asked about my father.
Ask after.
Inquire about someone's health, how life is going.
Jenny rang earlier and asked after you, so I told her you were fine.
Ask around.
Ask a number of people for information of help.
I have no idea, but I'll ask around at work and see if anyone can help.
Ask around.
Invite someone.
We asked them around for dinner.
Ask for.
To provoke a negative reaction.
You're asking for trouble.
Ask for.
Request to have or be given.
I asked for the menu.
Ask in.
To invite somebody into your house.
John's at the door. Ask him in.
Ask out.
To invite someone for a date.
He wanted to ask her out but was too shy.
Ask over.
Invite.
They have asked us over for drinks on Friday.
Ask round.
Invite someone.
We asked John round for dinner.
Auction off.
Sell something in an auction.
They auctioned off their property as they were heavily in debt.